Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I made from the Magical Mystery Bead Box from Jesse James, Tropical Paradise for February 2022. I was really happy with this box. It had so many beautiful components and things in it. I was able to make some really unique, kind of boho inspired jewelry out of this. So it's kind of different from some, the other boxes. Which I like because I like to mix things up a bit. So I was able to make 4 necklaces, one of them being like a lariat, and then 8 pairs of earrings. One of them is a necklace and earring set. I didn't make, trying to think, did I make no, I didn't make any bracelets out of this. So yeah, and I pretty much used everything. There's a few beads here and there that I didn't, but for the most part, I used everything. So let's get started. So here is what I made for earrings. And I will put a bust, I'll put the pictures up at the end, and I'm trying to put them up at the beginning of the video too. So this is my first pair. These are really cute, these little earrings. They're very lightweight. And I loved this wood on these beads, so I just thought I would connect them with the gold, and then I just added the spacer bead right there, the rhinestone spacer, just for something fun. So I got those. Then I have, get these together, and I made these. And these I used the little check seed beads, the 10-0s. And then for those, I used, let me see here. Yeah, this little, I pretty much used everything out of here. There's a few green left, but all of the milky white ones, I used those babies up, and almost all the tropical orange. So I made these, thought these are really cute, and everything's so lightweight. I love these little leaves and these little disc beads, so I had these. Then I went into, I know they gave us a couple pearls, so I went into the rest of my pearl collection, and I did the orange beads, and then I used these pink ones. I thought they were so cute. And then I added a few more of my pearl beads to match it. So I was able to make these. These are really cute. Just kind of fun, funky little pieces. Then I made, let me see, I don't remember because I did this like 2 weeks ago or a week ago. So I made these. These are really cute. And I don't remember if these were the pearls from Jesse James Beads or if these are my own. I'm making so much jewelry lately, I'm starting to forget. So yeah, so I made these. And I just put this little tassel on to dangle at the bottom because I just thought they were so cute. So let me see. And then I just took the parrots, and let me get this set up here. I just took the parrots and I just did those plain because they were so cute. And I'm like, I know some people that are bird lovers. And I thought someone might just want these on their own, So, So yeah, so I just did these on their own for a cute little pair. And then I did this other small pair. Get these fixed here. I did these little earrings, and I did use some of my fire polish beads and crystal bicones. So, and I did it with some of the other stuff to match. So I made those. And then I love these. These turned out really cool. I made these. So I was able to, I used the blue check seed beads in with the, it almost looks like a dreamsicle. This orange from in there. Reminds me of those dreamsicles we used to have when we were kids. I haven't had one of those in probably 40 years. So yeah, so I use these little boho beads at the end, and then those, and then I just kind of use these. These were really pretty. So I was really happy with those. Wow, I got so much stuff. Okay, and then I made this bracelet, or necklace. I used the clasp here, and then I added my seed beads in with the crystal bicones of mine, and then I did those, kind of going into that, and then I did the seashell thing bead, and then I turned it into a 4-strand. So let me move this to the side. I can kind of lay this out, and like I said, I'll have pictures up of everything at the end. So yeah, and then I just like, this was another boho bead from one of my other collections. I just added it on. So I just did some dangly pieces off of here. I love these are like just kind of bright colored pieces. And then I had these little hearts that I added to the ends to dangle. So yeah, I thought this was really pretty. So I have this one. And then I will show you the earring and necklace set. And I'll keep it on the bust at first, and then I'll take it off. So I did, I used this chain, the chain reaction, and then I had this little pendant thing, so I ended up just attaching some of the beads on, and then I made these earrings to match it. So, let's see. And then I had this little toggle clasp from, I forgot, one of the other bead boxes, monthly bead boxes. So I used that, and then I made it with the earrings. So I thought this turned out really cute. You know, this isn't as chunky as some of the other things I made, because I know not everybody likes chunky. So I've got that. Like I said, I'm getting ready for a craft fair next weekend. I'm going to have so much jewelry there. I hope we have a lot of people. It looks like it's going to be a good one, so I'm excited. And this is my Lariat one. It started out, I did that, and then I put these, I loved these beads right here. These were so pretty. So, and then I just kind of, so this would go around the neck, and then, you know, goes around like that. And then I have all of these. Then I put these, I did a 2-strand. I did 2 strands, and I came around like that. Then I did 2 whole beads to connect them together, and then turned it into one all the way through here. And all the way down there, there's 2 strands in there. And then after that, I went back to the 2 whole bead and separated them out again. And then I used this other piece, which was really cool. And I used the flamingo, and then I used some of this chain. I think this was my own, I had it, and then I put these little beads on the end. So this is just a really cool beaded Lariat that, you know, and you can take it off this way. So you could take it off and then put it on. So I'm really happy with the way this one turned out as well. So I did that. And then I did this one. Oh, and I do have one more. I'm sorry. I have one more. It's in my other room. Let me get it. So this, I added my own chain, and I just took this boho bead strand and I just separated it off and kept it like that. And then I put the little dangles on the end and everything. So I thought this turned out really pretty. Hold on, let me go get my other one. Actually, never mind. That was, this was the other one. I'm starting to lose my mind here. That's a good way to go. So yeah, so these are all the things I made from Jesse James February. Was really happy with the way everything turned out. You know, it's fun because it's kind of a different bead box from the other one. So, you know, it gives you a chance to even, you know, spread out a little more on how you make things, you know. So yeah, so I was really happy with this. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do have any friends that are interested in jewelry making, please share my videos with them if you think they might be interested. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link below. If you'd like to follow me on there, just click on that. So thank you again for watching my videos and supporting me, and I will see you soon on my next video. Have a great day.